Hello, lovelies. It's another beautiful day, and your girl is here to serve you another super recipe. Today, we are making cassava leaves soup, the Ghanaian style. If you're new here, you are most welcome. Now, let's dive in. Most people do not know that cassava leaves are edible. If today is your first time of seeing this, then yes, this is cassava leaves. Now watch me make a super delicious soup using this vegetable. So to get started, I will need a large bowl, and then I go ahead and detach the leaves from the stem. We are going to use only the leaves. We don't need the stem, okay? So we detach the leaves from the stem. Ta-da, we are done. So here I go ahead, add water, and then I wash the leaves. Wash as many as you can, okay? Wash till you get satisfied that your leaves are clean, super clean. Now I drain the water out, and then I add water to it again. I give it a second wash. And then I drain the water out. Now I go ahead and then transfer everything into my blender. Next, I add salt, pepper. If you are someone who doesn't like salt pita, then this soup is not for you, because without the salt pita, your soup will not be nice. This is a Ghanaian style of making cassava leaves soup. Then I add water to it, and then I go ahead and blend. You also need a stirring stick in the process of blending. Okay, now let's go and blend. Now we are going to blend this till smooth. After blending, I'll go ahead transfer this into my saucepan. And then cover and set aside. Next, we will also need okro. So I'll transfer my okro into the same blender. I add a little bit of water to make it easy to blend, and then I go ahead blend this till smooth, super smooth, okay? Then I add it to the blended vegetables, the cassava leaves. Do not stir, okay? Do not stir. I'll cover this and then bring it to a boil. As soon as it starts to boil, I'll go ahead and then spice my soup. This is locust seeds, aka the great dawa dawa. Then I add my chili powder, I add my dried fish, salt to my taste. At this point, we can go ahead and then stir everything together. Look at how slimy our soup looks. Is somebody salivating? I guess yes. Hello there. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. And today I serve you another amazing recipe, which is cassava leaves soup, the Ghanaian style. At this point, our green is ready. So we will take it off the fire, and then we move on to the next step. So now we are going to make our stew. This is my palm oil. Just take any reasonable amount, okay? I don't have a specific measurement for this. So we allow our oil to heat up for a while, about a minute or two, and then I go ahead and add my shredded onion. I'll allow the onion to infuse its flavor in the oil. But before that, I'll add my salted fish and then I stir till the fish dissolved in the oil. In here, I have fresh tomatoes, garlic, pepper, and then onion. I'll then go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and then I stir all together. I will cover it and then bring it to a boil. At this point, I add salt to my taste and also my already fried beef. You can also add any other seasoning of your choice, okay? You can add your Maggi cube, just name them. Just feel free and then add it to your stew. This is fish. Now I'll cover this halfway and then allow it to cook till completely done. Ta-da! Our stew is ready. Yes, our green is ready. Stew is ready. Now it's time to put everything together. I'll find time and then share with you how to make teasers, okay? But for today, it's only the soup. I hope you enjoy this video and you are going to give this recipe a try. So join me as I serve and then we eat together. Oh la la, food is served. Habibi, come to Ghana because we got the food. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed. Bye bye.